Here it goes. We're going to be, oh yeah, that's right. We're going to be passing a train soon. See, the way it works is that one car is coming down, it's pulling this car up. And there's a place on the track where we split, we drive right by the other train. See, we're in one of those. Isn't that neat? All right.
The next time that we do
Yeah.
here, that would be cool. 32 years.
Good job.
Grandpa's there. He's done scenes for you. He told me that.
Can you, hold on. Let Mama help you open it. Check it out. Can you look straight ahead and see the track below?
She's going with the doctor.
That's pretty cool, isn't it, bud? We just went over a bridge, bud. You okay? What do you think, bud?
I know. I'm trying not to look.
Stop it. Stop.
Okay, good. What?
I saw that you ordered it.
I ordered nubs. The tip one. I needed to get a replacement. I think it came open. What? Oh, all right, we're splitting, bud. All right, so if you look out, look to the right, or look to the left, rather. There's going to be a train passing. We're going to wave hi to it. Yeah, on our way up, somebody jumped trains. One of the workers did. Right here. Check it out, bud. Check it out, check it out. All right, now we'll be able to see that one going down. So that was the halfway point. Yeah, whenever we were coming up last time, they stopped the trains and all the workers jumped over to the downward train. All right, so if you look there, here in a minute, we're going to be able to see the other train below us. Isn't it pretty up here? Oh, there's an untaken gym here.
Budge.
Look at that, bud. My dad's so good.
Yeah, if I'm not close enough, I'll have to get on like that.
She tells him everything every single time.
Whoa. Look at all the houses up here. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. There's definitely some positives. If I'm living out in a rural type of space, I'd rather be in flatlands. Or the base of the land.
That's just the first comment.
Rubber Bridge! We're on the bridge! You alright, hon? Look at how far you can see, bud.
Let me get down.
Oh my, it's getting steep, isn't it, bud? This is why it's built tilted. And it's
Playing scary, isn't it?
oh, look, bud, we're right next to the rock. Let's look out the window. We're right up against the rock.
Alright everyone, please stay seated until we come to a complete stop and you'll exit back towards me. These cars leave every 10 minutes up until 9 o'clock. You can go back down whenever you'd like. Just hold on to your ticket. Thank you all for riding with us today.
We gotta walk down the mountain.
Jump out of
Now we roll.